Hi, everyone. Welcome to Let's Talk It Out with Elle, where we talk about everything and anything under the sun. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I hope you're enjoying your day. And if you have nothing to do, you want to watch my podcast, that will be great. Keep us company. Now, for today, we are talking about love. As the title suggests, we will be talking about love from different perspectives. So for Valentine's Day, we have two special guests. They're both good looking. Our first guest is a ramp and commercial model since 1990 to the present. You would have seen him in his following commercials: BDO, Jollibee, Globe Telecom, Coke, Philippine Airlines, Carlsberg, Unilab, Hershey's Chocolate, and I believe the last one was Kala, etc. Anyways, we will talk about love and let's see how these men think about love and how they process love. Let me bring in our first guest, Mr. Mike Roa. There you go. Hi, Mike. I can hear you. Your
Okay, there you
microphone is
go.
off. There you go. Hi, Mike. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm very glad to see you.
Yes, thank you for agreeing to be a guest for this special day, Valentine's Day. So that's Mike Roa. Told him about your commercial stint and stuff. Anyways, let's bring in the second guest. Our second guest is someone you probably already know. He was popular back in, especially in the day in the 90s, right? That was 90s, Mike?
Yes, yes.
90s,
To be exact, it's 1990.
1990.
Yeah.
Um, I, if I tell you what commercial, you'll already know who he is, right? So maybe let's not start there. Let's start with something that will not give him away. He is a former model, showbiz personality, actor, creative director, producer, all rolled into one. He's a very interesting guy, especially during his heydays. What happened to him? We probably will find out today. So, okay, let me tell you this one commercial that when I tell you this commercial, you know who it is. Close up. Diba? Alam niyo na? Okay, so let's bring in our next guest, Mr. Robbie Tarosa. Okay. So, ayun. Hi, Robbie.
Hello.
Thank you so much for gracing my show, my
Of
podcast.
course. Thank you for having me.
Okay, so now we're complete. And as I said, we will be talking about. Oh, by the way, happy Valentine's Day, because this is
Happy
Oh, happy
Valentine's
Valentine's to
Day.
everyone.
Hello,
Valentine's
Mike. Happy
special.
Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Happy
So
Valentine's, Robbie.
yes, and let's start with Robbie. Robbie, you have someone to celebrate your Valentine with?
Yes, I have my husband of 5 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Kyle.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Umabot ka ng 5. Ako usually hanggang 4 lang. Um, by the way, when I introduced you to the viewers, I mentioned Close Up kasi dun ka sikat na sikat, 'di ba? Close Up. Who
Yeah, yeah. That
know
was
who
a
you
long
are,
time ago. Yeah.
right?
35 years ago. Yeah.
Wow. And when did you by the way, guys, these men are right now they're in California.
We're
Well,
in Southern
Yeah.
California.
yeah,
Yes.
so Michael is just visiting from the Philippines. He's
Yes,
in
yes.
at saan ka? Santa Clarita, right
I'm
now?
in Valencia, Santa Clarita.
Yes. And what
It's
about
like
you,
a
Robbie?
45-minute drive from Robbie's house.
Oh, where are you from, Robbie?
Hindi naman, mga 30 minutes,
30
25, 30
minutes.
minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in Winnetka.
Saan yun?
I'm like in the middle of the West Valley. That's Encino, Tarzana, Woodland Hills, that
Oh,
area.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So both these men are in the United States. And I told them my guests are both good looking. Tingnan nyo naman. As I said, we will be talking about love. Let me ask you first, Robbie, since you're the one who has a romantic relationship that is very successful right now.
I think
When
Mike
did
is
you
married,
first,
right?
when did you first fall in love?
Oh, the first time I fell in love with anyone, I think I was very young. I think I was probably 16 maybe or
Oh, wow.
younger.
Okay.
Yeah, it was my first girlfriend.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, her name was Jill Thomas here in the States. I was going to school in Northern California in Vacaville.
Oh,
I want to
Vacaville.
say,
Okay.
yeah, I think
Mm-hmm.
she was, yeah, but I think we were like probably younger than 16. I think we were probably 14 or 15, somewhere around there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about you, Mike?
Ako times, sorry, L. I'm siguro when I was like 16, I had my first girlfriend when I was 16, and she's like 18 back then.
Not
And
17.
So
no, no,
16.
no, 16.
But let me ask both of you. What is love? Do you even know what love is?
I do now. I do know
Yeah.
what love is. Yeah.
But back then, did you?
That's why I can say that I fell in love for the first time with Jill Thomas when I was 14, 14, 15, around that age. Because when I recollect on my past relationships, she was the person that I really loved, that I really fell in love with as a person. So for me, love is when you care so much about that person to where that person becomes part of you. That person becomes existence of yourself. So to this day, we're still friends. We still love each other very much.
Mhm.
Not in an intimate way, but in a spiritual way, emotional way. We're still supportive with each other. She did eventually get married to a female.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah, I think she had several females. She does have a daughter, and now she has, I think, a couple grandchildren, one or two. I'm not sure how many, but um, yeah, I still love her very much. So love is to be in love and to love are two different things for
Yeah,
me.
exactly.
Yeah.
So
So
well, that's really nice because I guess the audience understands why have you and Mike as my guests because I want to get the perspective from different, I'm a woman, Mike's a man, and you are LGBTQ, right? So
yeah.
sometimes I want to understand if love is the same for everyone, or is love different because of your
Yeah. But
gender or
gender,
your
no.
right.
Love is a universal language, and love is what actually brings humanity to sanity. I feel that everything about love is what should make the world go around.
Mhm.
And I think that love in general, to be able to love is something that's sacred. At the same time, it's very, very important, and we need that in the world right now. Not just in
Yeah,
relationships, but I think in general, just to be able to love and not so much of hate.
yeah.
Yeah. For me, love is the goodness of what we have in mankind, and I think hate is the evil that we have in the world.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the difference of love and hate to me. It's good and evil.
Mm-hmm. Now, Mike,
Yeah,
what
times
what
malalim yan eh.
what
Malalim
is
yung
love?
perspective ko sa love eh.
What is love for you?
Love, what is,
Parang slam. Alam mo yung bata tayo, merong slam book.
oh,
What is love? No, na pinaghanda ka na. So what is
honest,
love?
honestly, ngayon ko lang natututunan kung ano yung meaning ng love.
Mm-hmm.
Before, siguro nung bata ako, like with Robbie, kasi barkada ko yan yung bata ako eh.
Mm-mm.
Like, we're both the same age now, and that time yung panahon namin ni Robbie, yung love is like, like mababaw. Kung may, like mababaw. Parang
Mababaw yung
girlfriend, ganyan.
nung yung time na nakilala kita, no, mababaw yung love nun.
I think,
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hindi.
No,
Siguro,
I'm just saying.
but
Like,
but I think it's fair to say that there was a confusion when we were younger
yeah,
yeah.
it's true. Even with
between
me.
there was a confusion with lust and love, I think.
Okay,
Yes,
I
teka
yes.
lang,
think
walang
lust
last
and
nung
love,
araw.
yeah.
Okay. Teka lang, linawin lang natin itong usapan na to.
Oh,
Even kasi with me, of course, honestly, growing up, I thought I'm always in love, right? Kasi gusto mo yung tao,
di
di
ba?
ba?
Di ba? Ganun,
Yeah,
di ba?
exactly. Kaya nga wag kang mag-guilty. Ikaw masyado kang nag-defensive agad to si Mike eh.
Na,
Um, lahat naman tayo, when we were younger, we thought that was love. But when you grow older, that's when you realize, okay, para lang malinaw, I want to talk about romantic love. There's so many different types of love. I want
romantic
to
love.
stick to romantic love because it's
Okay.
Valentine's. Okay.
Sige, sige.
Um,
Sige, sige.
kasi ako, if you ask me what true love is, true love, na-experience ko lang yun with when I had, nung nagkaanak ako, right? That's true
Okay.
love, what I feel for them. So let's not talk about that. Let's talk about
Sige.
yung pampakilig na love. Yung
So
kikilig.
Eh, times,
paano mo hindi?
ayoko na ng romantic love ngayon eh.
Oh,
So teka
sige,
muna,
so si
Tiny.
Robin na lang interviewin
Paano mo
natin. Bye, Mike.
sasabihin?
Joke lang.
So paano mo sasabihin, Tiny, that wala yung lust? Eh, nakaanak ka eh.
No. Yeah, pero hindi kasi with me, honestly.
Hindi ka nalibugan. Yan ba? Ang love?
Hindi, okay.
No, you have
Well,
to be,
it's okay because this
we
is,
agreed to do this. We have to be honest with
exactly,
each
no.
other.
Ito, honest with you kasi ako, kailangan mahal ko yung tao eh. Bago ko malamdaman yon. You know, yung,
Okay, so let's go back to the point where you said you didn't know what love was then.
yeah,
So you said, bago mangyari yun, kailangan mahal mo yung tao.
yeah.
So you weren't even sure if you loved the person back then
No,
because
but back then,
you didn't know what love was.
no, but back then we thought it was love.
You thought.
Oh, yeah,
Right?
You
yeah.
thought.
yeah.
Oo.
Oo,
So
parang love na lang.
binigay mo at lahat because of lust.
Yeah, hindi.
Oo. Because
Hindi,
you were
iba yung,
confused. You were
alam mo yung lust,
confused.
okay,
Oo.
ibang feeling ng lust sa love. Yung lust, yun nga, sexual act, gano'n. But when you love someone, kahit ayaw mong gawin, gagawin mo kasi mahal mo yung tao.
No,
Pwede.
lust doesn't have to be the sexual act itself. You can lust over someone. Kasi nalilibugan ka just looking at that person. Now, sexy, maganda, guwapo, right? That's
Oh,
lust.
Hindi eh.
That's
Iba,
lust.
see, that's the difference between men and women, I suppose. For me, from what I know, based
That's
on
sexist already. That's sexist. No.
No.
Man and woman can both do the same thing,
Yeah, pero
actually.
siguro ano lang ako, hindi ako ganun eh. Parang,
Ikaw, in general, siguro, I'm speaking in general, pero ikaw, as a woman, of your own woman, you're different. You're
yeah.
different.
Oo,
Don't
so parang,
generalize na lang.
hindi
Oo.
ko kaya, parang, you know, yung, especially before, di ba? We're talking about when we were younger. Parang, you know, kasi back then, tabu yung ganyan eh. Ngayon, pwede mo nang, yung mga bata ngayon, iba na. Let's face it, right?
kaya
But back
nga eh.
then,
Nakakatakot ka eh, no?
oo, but back then, hindi tayo ganun eh. Mag-boyfriend kayo, naghahawakan lang kayo ng kamay. Yung first boyfriend nga, hindi pa nakahawak ng kamay ko eh. Yung ganun kasi nung araw, di ba? But now, iba na nga. So,
What's the difference now? What do you
lumusta
observe?
si Mike eh.
Kasi
Ano?
back then, I don't see much of a difference of the kids now. I think because we've elevated to maturity, so we look at things differently. But
Mhm.
I think back then in the 80s, 90s, kids were also nasty back then.
Talaga?
Yeah,
Ay,
Pero
just
hindi
ang
hindi
ko
lang
alam.
exposed,
ang dami
no?
na
Hindi lang
bubuntis age. Ang dami na bubuntis 14, 15, hindi na na-expose because sinisikreto.
And because of
pero-
technology also, right?
Yeah, now because of, we have all of this social media,
Yeah.
people are being exposed, left and right. Pero back then, tinatago ng mga parents.
Oo.
Like pag nabubuntis, pinapadala sa probinsya or sa
Oh,
abroad.
exactly.
Oo.
Exactly.
Tama.
Pero minsan, you have to remember this. May mga babae na hindi nila ginusto pero nangyari.
Like na-rape or something.
Oo.
Oo.
Yung hindi na kahit boyfriend mo, kasi before yung concept na no. Hindi uso na dati 'yon eh. Ngayon, 'di ba? Ngayon, ini-educate natin ang mga bata ngayon na when the woman says no, it's no. Right?
It should, yeah, that's how it
Exactly.
should be
But
talaga.
back then it wasn't like that. You say
Yeah.
no, they still go ahead. And what can you do? You cannot really tell anybody because now you're embarrassed. You know,
Oh,
Yeah.
this
that's
happened.
ano, di ba?
Yeah, and that's how it was back then. So yun yung sinasabi ko, iba before, just because nabuntis yung tao, doesn't mean they were lusting after the boyfriend. It's only because, mahal ko tong taong to, biglang gagawin, and you trusted this to respect you. And you trusted this
Mhm.
person. When you say no, it's no. But then they
Mhm.
continue. What do you do? 'Di ba? So, yung iba yung ngayon mas matatalino na yung mga bata because educated na sila. They know what to do, right?
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah, true, true. Totoo
ngayon yung
yan,
mga bata,
oo.
gusto nilang gawin yan. Meron pang alam nila yung mga contraceptives. May mga ganun pa sila. Dati kaya nabubuntis, hindi naman educated ang mga bata na sa contraceptives, 'di ba? Hindi, wala.
Yeah.
Yan kan buntisan talaga nung araw because gano'n. And then, yes, yung hormones ng mga men, iba pa rin eh. Yung boys, iba yung hormones nila. So, gigil sila, parang gano'n. Tapos yung mga babae, oh my God. What
No,
can
but
we
I
do?
know a lot of horny girls out there, I'm telling you.
Ako,
I
yung mga
mean,
kaibigan ko, medyo,
oh my God,
medyo,
I have a client sa company sa isang, I have a healthcare company and we have an 83-year-old na nagpapahanap sa akin ng Latino.
oh, wow.
Yeah, she's a Caucasian lady, she's 83. And I would tell her, nice sabi ko, sweetheart, you might get, you're kind of frail already. You're 83. Baka, di ba, baka ma-break yung katawan mo pag, you have sex again. And she looked me straight in the eye and said, oh no, honey. Sabi niya, you don't know this one. Ganun
Oh,
siya.
oh my
Na sabi
God.
ko, di ba medyo the well is kind of dry by now? And sabi niya, oh no, I still get wet. Yeah, so
Really?
I think to each his own. Every person's
That's
different.
true. That's true.
And
Oo.
I don't know if I think she's lying. I mean, baka naman hindi naman nawawet yun, baka ihi yun. I
Pero,
don't know.
teka, pero ano, Robbie, is she white?
She's white. Oo, tapos,
Kasi that's a culture thing, I believe, Kasi Filipinos are more reserved when it comes to sex, eh. 'Di ba? They're not gonna talk about that.
ay, yung mga
They're
lola
denying.
natin, I think yung mga lola natin, they really, because I have a cousin that's already parang 60 na ata siya, and she told me that she tried having sex pa rin when she was 50 with her boyfriend, and ayaw na raw niya kasi masakit na.
Meron
Oo.
namang puwedeng ibang gawin, ano ba?
I
Kailangan
don't know. I
magkaroon.
tried to tell her I could get her some stuff from here, maraming mga sensational lubes and stuff like that, sprays. Yung tinuro ng isang friend ko, tinuro sa akin, sabi she can get some in London for her. And I told my cousin, sabi, wag na, ginamit na nga ni ng laway niya, everything. So, wala daw.
Alam mo,
Wala
you
daw.
know, if someone watches this in the
Oo.
middle, like right now, they're gonna be saying, "Wait, I thought they're talking about love. Why are they talking about this?"
Kasi napunta tayo sa last. That's
Ay, kasi naman inopen mo. But
Si
you know what?
Robby kasi.
But
Back
you know what?
then,
Sex comes with love. It's gonna be Valentine's.
well,
Alam mo,
That's part of it.
yeah, oh yeah, yeah,
busy ang mga motel, and you know what they do in the motels.
yeah,
Diba?
yeah,
So, that comes with it. Love comes
yeah. Oh,
sex.
it's true.
Yeah.
Love comes with that. Yes.
Oh.
Mhm.
And it's and
So,
I
but it's
think
not.
sex is beautiful. It's
Yeah.
just something you share
Wait,
with your
wait, wait,
lover.
wait. Pero para sa akin, kailangan kasal muna bago yung
Ulul,
ano.
ulul.
Ulul. Ay, sorry, sorry.
Ha? No, no,
Sorry,
no.
audience.
Now that I'm a
Again,
father,
wait, reminder.
diba?
This is Let's Talk It Out with Elle, where we talk about everything and anything under the sun. So, yun nga, may
Sabagay.
warning naman
No,
ako sa inyo.
nagbago na yung
Don't
pananaw
go
ko
in.
ngayon. Nagbago na yung pananaw ko kasi meron na akong daughter. Parang naiintindihan ko na ngayon yung mga sinasabi ng mga daddy at mommy
Sinabi mo yan,
natin.
ha? Sinabi mo yan.
Yeah,
Well, you know
oo.
Sinabi,
what? Attorney,
Kasi
he
that's what I
said that.
want for my daughter. I don't even
I don't
encourage
believe
her
in
to have
him.
a boyfriend. I said,
That's
yeah,
the
friend
truth.
true.
muna kayo. Walang labels. And then,
Ah,
tapos sa kasal na kayo mag-kiss or, like,
hypocrisy.
It's not gonna happen. That's
no,
not
look,
gonna
as much
happen.
as possible and very, like,
Okay, you know what?
ano ba
Okay,
yun,
Mike.
tawag doon,
Hindi mo
idealistic?
ipapanood sa anak mo to, so you can be yourself. Come on.
Yeah, hindi.
Totoo.
Attorney, ask Mike. Hindi naman tayo kasal, Mike, nung may nangyari sa atin. Ano?
Rob,
1991, hello. Hindi lang natuloy kasi bushy. Joke
Bak, ang
lang.
pogi-pogi pa
Joke,
naman to si Robbie. Oh my gosh.
joke,
Alam mo
joke.
yung isang,
pinagtatanggol ko pa nga yun nung yung bago yung lumabas yung close-up. Pinagtatanggol ko yan. Hindi totoo yung chismis, sabi kong gano'n.
oh, you know
Lalaki
what?
yan.
When did you find out, Robbie?
Oh, siguro, I think I was around maybe 16 or 17. I started
Oh,
modeling. Yeah, when I
okay.
started
So early, ah.
modeling I started
Oo.
I was around a lot of different models. I was traveling around the world.
Mm-mm.
Um, I think one of the models liked me.
Mhm.
And then
He's a man. He's a man too.
yeah, he was a man. Uh I think he was already in his 20s, and he really liked me, and then he like kind of pursued me, and then one time we were out drinking after a shoot, and I was still a teenager, but they were giving me alcohol, and may nangyari sa amin that night, and I liked it. So after that,
Oh.
tuloy-tuloy. But prior to that, the sad part is my first experience with a man wasn't with him. I was molested. I was molested as a little boy, several times.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's what happened. I kind of think that was something that made me gay.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you
Yeah.
na sometimes kasi yung life experiences mo will turn you into something that you were not supposed to be, right? Also, I was gonna ask you,
I
do you
believe
think?
it. I really believe in that. I really believe
Mhm.
in that.
Yeah.
Because as a little boy, my attraction to beautiful women, like girls that were in my class, grabe yung attraction ko eh.
Yeah,
Pero
yeah, yeah.
nung na-confirm na I was being molested na all the way to the age of I want to say 10, 9 or 10.
Mhm.
And then parang nahihiya na ako sa mga babae.
Oh.
Parang I
Oh.
couldn't face girls anymore and
Yeah.
pursue them because I felt like this is what I'm supposed to be because I'm
Yeah.
enjoying this.
Oo.
Um, yeah. So the first one was actually my cousin, a male cousin of mine.
Mhm.
So you know, anyway, that's what
Yeah.
happened. So
Oh,
let's
that's
talk
not
about love.
good. And let's talk about love. Yeah. Anyway, but thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Yun na
Yeah.
nga, siguro, something happens in your life and things change. But at ako naman, my son said I'm what does he called me um someone who falls in love with the person, not the gender.
Yeah.
Ano tawag doon? I forgot. It's
Pansexual.
pansexual. When he said that, Mom, you're pansexual. Ano yun? And then he explained to me, you don't fall in love with the gender. You fall in love with a person. Yung ganon. So, okay, I just accept it. Okay, fine. But anyways, so yun,
Nakatomboy ka.
natigil yung ano ni Mike yung pinagsasabi niya. I understand where you're coming from as a father, but we will not
Yeah.
right now let's not include our
Sige,
children
sige,
right
sige.
now. Let's be teenagers again, okay?
Sure, sure.
Let's go back. So be Mike, the one I
Sige,
met
sige.
back then.
Mhm.
Oh, sige, ano? Ganun eh.
Ano sasabihin ko? Anong gusto niyo
So
malaman?
okay, this is one of the questions that I have for you. So my question to you both, and Mike muna, what is the hardest emotion for you to show in a relationship?
Ano yun? Talking about before or now?
All throughout, kung nag-change,
All throughout?
yeah.
You know, yung question mo na yan, okay yan. Dahil ngayon, before I really don't mind kung ano eh. Um, paano ba explain?
Sige, huwag ka mahiya.
Um,
Labas mo lang.
hindi ngayon gusto ko yung relationship dapat, you know, you can talk anything under the sun.
No,
Dapat
but
ganon.
but don't you have an emotion that hindi mo mailabas?
Parang ngayon, gusto ko sa relationship, I can be honest. Pero,
So so let me rephrase that. You mean the emotion that you cannot show you're in a relationship is an emotion that you're afraid to show kasi takot
o
kang
kasi
maging
di ba
honest?
parang meron kang kaibigan, meron kang best friend. Parang ngayon, tapos meron kang girlfriend and meron kang asawa, di ba?
Dami nito.
Iba-iba yan
Okay.
yung mga emotion. Parang pag mag-start kayo as friends, iba yung so ang pinag-usapan natin, di ba, yung sa girlfriend mo o sa asawa
Romantic love nga eh.
o
Eh,
romance. So girlfriend,
syempre. Oh, may
girlfriend.
ba? Teka lang, may girlfriend ka tsaka asawa?
No, 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 no.
Okay,
Hindi.
lilinaw ko lang kasi
Oh, sige,
nakakalito ako
sige.
sumagot.
No, parang gusto ko, if
May
I'm going to
boyfriend.
like do it all over again, yung girlfriend ko, gusto ko muna maging kaibigan, gusto ko maging best friend. Ayoko yung parang liligawan mo, parang nakilala mo sa, kunyari,
Oo,
sa
oo, totoo
faces,
yun.
before, ayoko.
Totoo yun.
Kasi before, wala akong pakialam dun eh. Parang,
Wala
kami ni
naman,
Robbie, pag lumalabas kami, tapos, may nakita kaming magandang babae. So, Nililigawan namin yun
Yeah,
kaagad
exactly, oo. Gano'n naman
hin
talaga kasi no'n, eh. But when
yeah,
you're
but
older
iba yung nag-start ka as friends. Parang hindi
exactly,
mo kaagad liligawan. Hindi mo
totoo.
kaagad gusto kunin yung dapat kunin. Like,
Oo,
yung
totoo 'yun.
pinag-usapan natin kanina, siyempre nung bata kami, siyempre lust. Marami nga nagsasabi na meron akong parang ex na sinasabi niya na hiniwalaan ko siya dahil ayaw niya, parang gano'n. Ayaw
Yeah.
niya to do it
Oh,
or hindi
hindi
ko na
ano
hindi ex, parang hindi ko pinursue because ayaw niyang gawin 'yun. Or
mm.
hindi na natuloy kasi siyempre before yung panahon namin ni Robby, panahon natin, liligawan muna and then you can do it with the girl, 'di ba? 'Pag napasagot mo na. Pero, so 'pag hindi sila pumayag, ang sama ko 'no, if I'm just being honest 'no, 'pag hindi sila pumayag, usually iniiwan ko na. Sama 'no? Kasi honest,
Okey.
'di ba? You said
Ikaw
anything
ba,
under the
Robby,
sun,
gano'n
to
ka
be
no'n?
honest, 'di ba?
Kasi nagka-girlfriend si Robby, gano'n ka ba no'n, yung tingin mo, gano'n ka rin ba? 'Pag ayaw, ayaw mo na?
Mm, that's how I am to this day, actually.
Ba't ba
Oo.
nabuksan yung topic na yan?
Oo, that's how I am to this day. Yeah. Ako 'pag ayaw ko na talaga.
'Pag ayaw makipag-sex?
Oo, 'pag ayaw makipag-sex, ayoko na.
Pero eto ang problema, and
Mm.
guys, the people who are watching, just so you know, because we're all Filipinos, and that's a culture thing. You're probably some other culture listening to this or watching this, maybe thinking, what are they talking about, right? It's just that you have to understand we're coming from the Philippines, and that's kind of a culture thing. Like in the Philippines, the men are thinking that way. See, when they were boys, they thought, if this girl doesn't want to have sex with me, I don't want to be with her anymore, right? Then again, this is what happens, and that's the fear of us women or girls back then. And I'm sure they know this. The moment you give in, they leave you anyway, right?
Yeah, no? No?
Exactly.
No, hindi
It's-
naman. Kasi us guys back then, nung lalaki pa
Sama,
ako
no?
sometimes you have to test the merchandise kasi paano kung talaga sa akin. No, alam mo, sabi ito Mike, alam mo to minsan mabaho talaga yung babae. Pag baba mo dyan, ang baho-baho, tangina. Hindi mo talaga
Wala pa
masisikmura.
naman ako
Tapos
na-experience na
itutuloy,
gano'n, Rob.
no, tapos itutuloy mo yung relasyon, tapos ganyan, gabi-gabi, ipapakain sa'yo.
Hindi pa
Kaya
ako
ako siguro
hindi ko pa alam yun, yung time na
hindi
yun.
naka-experience talaga ako kaya siguro ako naging bading din dahil sa baho na yan, puta. I'm telling you. At naka-PTSD ako dun eh. Oo, gusto kong sipain yung babae na yon. You know, I don't know, siguro ikaw, nakachamba ka ng malilinis. My first was here.
No,
Yung
hindi
una
ko pa
kasi yung
alam yun,
babae
Rob.
dito sa Amerika, dito sa Northern California, ako nakatikim ng una na talagang
Ay,
spa.
oo.
Hindi Filipina, mga Filipina malilinis.
Oo
Itong
nga eh.
putang, ay naku, maniwala ka sa akin, naduling pa nga ako, nasusuka ako.
But,
Oo,
oh, no, kasi yun na nga, that's a difference, right? Again, kasi dito ka sa Amerika, dyan ka sa Amerika. In the Philippines,
I didn't want to risk it. I really didn't want to risk it again. Sabi
I
ko,
know. Oo,
ayoko na
oo.
talaga. Alam mo, pinipilit ako ng isang babae kasama natin. I don't know if you remember that girl, her name was Nancy. Na,
Nancy, yeah.
oh,
Yeah
pinip,
talaga eh, no? Parang
pinipi,
natatandaan ko, no?
oo, pinipilit niya akong halikan. Tapos, hinalikan ko naman. I don't know if you remember that. Then she was trying to straddle her legs over my face and I was trying to punch her. Because naalala ko talaga yung
Baka
baho.
mapanood to ni Nancy.
My God, parang may infection ata yung babae na yun.
My
Na
God.
may halong tae. Gross.
Buti na lang
No, but,
yung host natin, lawyer din.
Oo.
what? What?
Wala
Ano ba?
kang,
Yung host
wag,
natin.
wag magbanggit ng last names, okay na yan.
Oo, oo. Pero, tsaka, well, guys, the audience, you don't know if he's talking, the name that he mentioned is an actual person,
Sabagay.
right? Maybe he changed it, so you never know. For
Yeah.
Mike, you agreed with me, right? Because Robbie was in the States. Like I said, it's a culture thing. Even though he's Filipino, his experience is in the United States, Americans. But
Hmm.
us, we experienced it as Filipinos in the Philippines. And you agreed
Hmm.
with me, and I said, you men or boys back then, the moment the
Nangiiwan
girl
din.
gives in, ayaw mo na. Kasi bumigay eh, di ba?
O, pero kung masarap na yung babae,
I
hindi
guess
iiwan
it's
yun.
I don't know. I don't want to speak for everyone, but for me, Meron ako rin gano'n na ano.
No, because alam ko yan eh, nag-uusap ang mga lalaki. Bumiga na yan pare, pokpok yan. I mean,
Ah?
let's face it. Oh
No, no,
yeah.
no,
Not
no.
all, not all
Actually,
cases.
with
No,
me,
not
I
all
don't
cases,
have
but a
I
lot
don't
of
have
them are
like
like
lots
that.
of friends din
Uh,
na
I've
gano'n.
heard it with my friends, right? Because
yeah, pero kawawa naman kung kinuha mo yung virginity yung babae tapos ganon.
oh
That's
yeah,
really
oh,
bad. That's really
there's
bad.
yeah, but there's a lot of men in the Philippines back then that are like that because they talk, right? And then they'll talk among themselves, and then the moment you give in, you're no longer marrying material.
Oh, that's sad.
Oh,
That's
it is,
sad.
but it is true.
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of the Filipinos out there, especially the women, know this about our culture. Um,
Hindi ba yan tinuturo ng culture natin din na kailangan,
Marriage muna.
dapat pag pinakasalan mo, intact yung virginity, di ba?
exactly. That's why.
Oo.
That's why the moment you give in as a woman, you're no longer marrying type, 'di ba? For them.
Ako, siguro,
Girl can always lie though and say that it never happened, and then wait 6 months. That shit will be really tight again,
No, no. The, the
right?
the guy that you had sex with is a guy that doesn't want to marry you anymore because you gave in to him. It's like a
And
test to them or something like that. Parang,
for, forget it. Forget him.
oh yeah, yeah,
yeah.
oh.
And then talk
Parang,
about him behind his back. Say his dick was small. You know what I mean? Or he doesn't. Diba?
no,
So
but
ang bilis yung labasan or something.
no, but that's reality back then. That's the
Uh,
reality of the Filipino culture back in the 80s. 80s talaga. Um,
Oo.
there's a stigma attached to someone who has had sex.
I do
Yeah.
remember that. Yeah, I remember that.
Right?
Lalo in the 80s,
Yeah.
remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, timing parang ano, no, nakakalungkot ng isipin. Siguro, umiidad na tayo or,
Yeah.
parang ang sama. Sa totoo lang, parang, ah, like, um, ako, I feel awkward na pag-usapan din yun, no? Because it's true, di ba?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's
It's true na
unfortunately that's how it was.
yeah.
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 So in the gay community, there's also virginity, like with anal sex. With me naman kasi, I don't engage in anal sex. I mean, I'm still a virgin to this day, and a lot of men have tried to take it, and I haven't given it. Not and my husband now we're not into anal sex. So
Mhm.
going back to the word love,
Mhm.
that's why I can truly tell you that the relationship that I'm involved in right now is pure love.
Mhm.
We
Mhm.
haven't we don't engage in a lot of sexual activity with each other, but we're very, very affectionate with each other.
Mhm. Mhm. Um,
Oh,
question ko sa'yo, and later on I'll ask Mike, but you first. Do you think most people say I love you without really knowing what it means?
I think so. I think it's thrown out there too much, and it's more of parang people saying more of like I care for you,
Mhm. Mhm.
than I
mhm.
really, really sincere because they don't know the depth of the word love.
Mhm. Mhm.
Ganon.
I had an ex boyfriend that was much younger. He's probably the same age as my husband, but back then, uh, he was 19. I think I was 45 at the time, and he used to say the word "I love you" all the time. And when we broke up, it was like nothing to him. The breakup was nothing to him. Like he wasn't hurt. He didn't
Yeah.
go
Oh
through
my
any.
God.
So if you said "I love you" so many times to me, every time we would separate to say goodbye, like I'd have to go my way, he'd go his way. He'd always say that I love you. He would be the one saying it, not me. On the
Mhm.
phone before ending the phone conversation, he would say I love you all the time. And then when we broke up, it was like nothing. And I said, he never really loved me. He
Yeah.
never
Now,
loved me.
see,
Yeah.
when you fall in love, there's that risk of getting your heart broken always. Now, with you, Robbie, what was the hardest or was there ever a relationship where you were truly heartbroken, and what lesson, if any, did you learn from that heartbreak?
Madami.
Ano
Madami
yung
because
yung pinaka masakit talaga na, kasi ako, I've experienced, ano ako din lagi, di ba? But, siguro when you're older, yung intensity is parang higher, yung intensity nung feeling mo, kasi now you know what it means, di ba? And then, when you get heartbroken, at my age, it's more traumatic than
Mhm.
before. Before you'll just, after a month, okay, wala na. But this time it takes years, and then you get
Yeah.
traumatized. So ikaw, for you, what was that? Do you ever have that most, maybe not traumatic, but yung kung saan ka nasaktan talaga na it was harder for you to move on from there. And then from that relationship, from that heartbreak, what did you learn, if any?
I think the hardest heartbreak that I went through, it was, I don't think inamin ko kay Mike noon, but it was the time that Mike, no, the
I
time that
don't.
Mike and I were really
Yeah.
hanging out. I had
Yeah.
gone through a breakup with Eric. Huwag natin sabihin yung last name.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you mentioned it.
Yeah, that was the biggest
Yeah.
heartbreak. I mean, the most painful for me because I really fell in love with him at the time.
Mm-hmm.
But I was able to reunite with him exactly 10 years after the breakup, and we actually had sex again that night. No, parang it was like confirming that this is something that I don't miss, and that's why I did it that time. And it did, it secured that thought in my mind na hindi ko talaga siya nami-miss. And I'm glad that we did end it back then. But when it did end back then, 19 anong year yun? 1991 ba yun, Mike? 1992. Anyways, when it did,
Actually, Rob, siguro 91 kasi 90 magkaibigan na tayo. Pero I didn't know that you are, you know,
yeah,
who
Yeah.
you
yeah,
are
so
now.
91
I
siguro
remember I
kami.
was defending you pa, but you told me about that nung nakita ulit tayo.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
1991 yun. Kasi
yeah, I guess, yeah.
naging kami ng matagal ko ng ex, 92 kami. So 91,
Mm.
that was the most, I mean, I really cried. And actually, he even cried when we were breaking up. Uh, but that was painful. That was very painful because I thought he was the one. I really thought he was the one.
But
And
there's no cheating
attorney,
or anything like that. Wala namang ganon.
oh no, there was cheating on his end. There was
There
cheating on
was.
his
That's
end.
why it ended. Okay.
No, that's not why it
Oh,
ended.
really? Okay.
I was willing to look past that.
Talaga?
That's how in
Love.
love I was.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how in love I was with him.
Oh,
But
wow.
later on, I realized that love, like going back to the earlier conversations we had about lust, I think it was lust.
Mm,
I
yeah.
think it was lust because the
Yun nga.
first time,
Oo. Sige, go ahead.
the first time it wasn't a date. Nakita kami sa Faces. Very
Faces of
90s.
hindi tayo nakikita sa Faces. I go there all the time. Faces back
Yeah.
then. But
Yeah, Community
parang hindi
Bike,
ko na.
Faces, Mars, di ba? Euphoria. So we went to Faces and we would meet up there. And then he gave me a ride home one night and then nag-sex kami in the car. Yeah, he made the first move and then may nangyari. And after that, dire-diretso na hinahanap-hanap ko talaga siya. And,
Ah.
I realized it was more of lust than anything.
Yun na nga, the next question is this. How do you know when what you're feeling is love, lust, or love and not fear, attachment, comfort, or lust? How do you know? Kasi sometimes
That's a
ito
very,
yung sa'yo
uh,
sinabi mo ngayon lust, right? But so many people mistake love for, you mistake comfort, attachment, familiarity with love. Kasi sanay na ako dito eh. Kaya love ko 'to, hindi eh, 'di ba? May mga taong hindi nila nade-delineate yung nahihiwalay yung, kasi there's a thin line, a very thin line between
Yeah,
love and comfort, love and attachment,
totoo
love and
yun.
fear. So sometimes akala mo mahal mo pero ayaw mo lang kasing mawalan ka ng kasama,
Totoo yun.
'di ba?
yeah.
So
Yeah.
with you, ikaw na-realize mo it was really lust kasi ano, 'di ba?
Masarap,
Ako,
masarap eh. Masarap. So hinahanap, diba, everyone has an addictive part of their
yes, oo.
personality. So when you're
Oo.
addicted to something that tastes really good, like chocolate, some people get the high of gambling, some people from drugs or from alcohol. I was addicted to the dopamine that the sex created. And I didn't
But
want that to go away. Kasi
and
masarap
that
talaga siya eh.
nung tao na yon din, 'di ba? Kasi minsan hindi naman pare-pareho sa ibang tao, right?
Ay nako, there's people that I would have sex with once and I would never want to have it again.
Exactly.
Oo, like yung
Kasi
babae na yan, Diyos ko, hindi mauulit talaga.
ako naman kasi, meron na experience din naman ako na hindi parang ano eh, hindi nga love pero Kasi siya lang yung tao na pag dumikit lang sa akin, iba na yung nararamdaman mo. Yung ganun parang, oh my God. May
There's that,
ganun eh, di
yeah,
ba?
there's
Pero
that
may,
chemistry. Oh, may chemistry
yeah,
talaga.
yeah. But it's not love. It's just maybe, yun na nga, ganun, di ba?
The
So,
lust, the lust.
oo. So, paano mo malalaman? Are you able to know or late na para tsaka mo realize na gano'n?
Now I know because my husband and I now, we hug each other every night when we sleep. We hold hands when we watch movies. He tells me all night long he loves me repeatedly. And this has been going on for 5 years.
Kainggit ka naman. Sana
Oo.
all.
Saka,
Sana
Totoo yun,
all.
totoo yun. Totoo
no,
yun.
alam niya, witness nito na-witness ni Mike how sweet we are
Oh,
with each other.
Yeah,
sana
Maski
totoo
all.
yan.
nagagalit, kapag nagagalit nga ako sa
Totoo yan.
kanya, tahimik lang yan. He doesn't
Yeah.
fight back. He
Is he
doesn't.
Filipino? No.
No, he's Japanese and Caucasian mixed.
Oh, wow.
Mestizo
Alam mo,
siya.
yan ang
Totoo
gusto
yun.
ko. Yun nga ako, sabi ko nga, parang ako nga yung last heartbreak was the hardest because okay na ako and ito yon. Gaya nung sinabi mo, di ba? Parang eventually ma-realize mo eh. Na-realize ko na siguro I couldn't leave because sanay
There's
na
that,
ako doon.
there's that security blanket you have with someone.
May kasama ka
And,
may kasama ka eh, kahit hirap na
yeah.
hirap ka, 'di ba? Kasi
Hirap mag-isa, yeah.
oo, biruin mo, I went through so much talagang hirap na ako sa relationship na yon. I couldn't get myself out of there because
Mm-mm.
iniisip ko, oh, paano na wala na 'to, wala na. Eh, parang may kasama ka eh, 'di ba?
Well,
And
that's
I'm
called,
Mm.
thinking,
you know what that's called? That's called codependency.
yun na nga.
So when you guys are codependent with each other, it's hard to really separate.
Yeah, sometimes
Uh,
but I was able to, tell myself, one step forward away from that person, one step until nakaalis ka na. Kasi yun yung pinakamahirap sa lahat eh, yung step paalis, palayo, di ba? Tapos, nagsara na talaga yung utak mo na wala, ayoko na. But then, sometimes, and people told me, don't say no. Hindi, porke nasaktan ka sa isa, it doesn't mean ganon. Pero, ewan ko, nakakatakot kasi, di ba? Love is scary. Love is really scary, especially if you're a person who loves with all your heart, you give everything. Yung sinasabi nila na, leave some for yourself. I do not understand that. I
Yeah.
don't. I can't. When I
uh,
love someone, full
yeah,
blast talaga. So when I
yeah.
get hurt, full blast din. So it's scary. That's what's scary about love. Kaya nga, gaya, magva-Valentine. Wala naman akong Valentine. Parang hindi na uso sa akin ng Valentine. Kaya sabi ko, magpo-podcast na lang ako para may kasama ako. Ganun eh, no?
Yeah.
Ito pang tanong ko
Kami ni
sa'yo.
Robbie kasama mo, Thais.
But you
Oo
know
nga
what?
eh.
You have children naman eh.
Oh yeah. Oh
Love
yeah.
can be
Oh,
in different degrees. It doesn't, like I
yes.
said, it's not about sex anymore. So love is shared by the people that you love and that love
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Uh,
But you have to remember, romantic love is still different. My children are grown-ups. They're gonna get married one day. They're not gonna be with me all my life.
Yeah.
I'm hoping to find that someone that would stay with me and be there with me. Not just for me. We'll be there for each other. Yung ganun,
Your
parang,
companion.
well, there's
diba?
always that, even if you have that perfect partner, tomorrow is never promised to any of us.
Oh yeah, pero,
So kapag namatayan tayo or pag tayo namatay, our partners will be left behind or we will be left alone, you have to prioritize romanticizing yourself and being in love
oh
with
yeah,
yourself.
yeah. Pero
Love yourself
syempre,
is very important.
yeah, pero hindi mo maiiwasan minsan na nakakalungkot din, di
But you
ba?
know what I can say right now is, and I tell my husband this all the time, that if something happens to him and I'm the one, even I'm much older than him, so I'm supposed to be the one that's gonna leave first, this earth first. But if it's the other way around, hopefully hindi, but if it's me that's left behind, for me, I'm okay to be here and live the rest of my life alone, knowing that I did find true love. I did.
Exactly.
I experienced
Exactly.
it. I experienced it in my lifetime. I found it, and I will treasure these feelings that I have with my husband Kyle for the rest of my life and in the life after.
Exactly. Because
Yeah.
nahanap mo na.
Nahanap ko
All
talaga.
my life, never kung nakita yan. Never kung naramdaman yan
Well,
kahit
because you're
kanino.
pansexual, try mo ng babae, baka hanap ka na.
I did.
Oh, tapos,
Wala.
Try until you get.
Yun na nga ang sinasabi ko.
Oo.
'Di ba? Parang
And sometimes
hindi.
don't look. It will just
Oh
come.
no, I wasn't
Oo.
looking. I never look, and then it
Oo.
comes, just falls in front of me. Pew!
Oo.
Ganon. Right? Biglang,
Tapos mabaho. Hindi.
I wouldn't know because I'm not like that.
Hindi mo ini-sniff. Okay.
I'm not like that.
Oo. No
So,
finger. Oo.
alam mo yun, I'll make sure that my relatives do not watch this. Black na
Oo.
sila. Black sila pag pinilabas ko to. No, but
Oo.
alam mo yon, imagine that, being pansexual. Now you have two genders.
Okay. Yes.
Pero wala talaga. So, yan sabi ko, dumating
So
na ako sa point na,
your ocean is wider than you think, because you can have both sexes. So just put yourself out there, but don't really expect it will
oh no,
come.
no.
It will
Hindi na
come. I mean,
ako,
not come in that, but it will arrive.
hindi na ako naghahanap. I'm just saying na, at this point in my life, I'm
You're
happy
not,
where I
because
am.
number one, you're an intelligent woman. You're very nice and pleasant, and you're pretty. So just
Yes.
it will come around. Just
Yeah, it's just that, hindi ko
make
na rin
sure that
hinahanap.
just
Actually,
make
hindi ko
sure
naman
they're over.
hinahanap.
Make sure they're over 18. Yun lang advice ko sa'yo.
Oy, for the record, 18 and 20, 18 talaga, sigurado ako. Alam ko yung taon.
Ikaw 21. I
22,
remember.
22. Oo,
Okay.
22. Kasi ano yun 88.
17 and 21 actually were the real numbers.
No, 88 eh. Oh. Oh, ilang taon ka, Mike? 88? Ilang taon ka ng 88 ka? Ay, no.
What month? What month?
18.
Mm.
18.
Actually, 89 na. Kasi,
Yeah.
oo, kasi 88 ano ko eh. 88 to 89. Eh, oo nga. Kasi Ateneo ako noon law school. Kaya alam ko yung timing eh. Anyways.
Yeah.
So,
Ateneo ka pala. Oo.
first year lang.
Okay.
Meron pa pala ako itatanong sa inyo because you're both role models, right? Yung first boyfriend ko, ramp model siya. Baka kilala nyo. Baka naging
Okay.
boyfriend ka, joke.
Baka natikman ko. Okay.
Sino?
Roy.
Roy.
Huwag natin hindi natin pwede
Okay.
apelido. Pero Roy.
Maraming Roy.
Ano siya?
Parang
Tall,
isa
dark,
lang
and
Roy na
handsome.
kilala ko
Kamukha niya. Para siyang Gabby Concepcion na dark. Na moreno. Hindi naman dark.
Parang
Moreno.
kilala ko yan. Parang may nangyari sa amin. I'm not kidding. I think so. I think kung
Eto,
siya yun,
ilalagay ko sa natin, sa usapan natin kung ano yung apelido para. Ayan.
yung picture na lang isend mo.
Ayan.
Oo.
Kilala mo yan, Robbie?
Oo.
And may isa pa pala akong kaibigan na model din. I used to have a huge crush on this guy. Hello, Obet David. I miss you. Do you know him? Robert David?
Yeah, hi. How are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a good friend kasi we went to acting workshop together.
Di ba he's in the States na?
Oo, nasa States. He was so good looking. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm like, I was talagang crush na crush ko yun. And then we saw each other, siguro years later, we saw each other in Stargazer.
Yeah.
Kinilig-kilig pa ako. Oh my God, si Obet. Sabi niya, hey, how are you? Sabi niya, tapos biglang, alika, come with me to my room. I'm like, So we went upstairs to the room. I'll show you my portfolio. Pagkita ko yun. Ano sabi niya? Sinabi niya na gay pala siya.
So hindi ka kinalikot.
Ay, hindi. We're just friends.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I know who he is.
Nasa San Francisco siya.
I knew it.
Model yun, di mekaniko.
Alam ko Northern California yun eh.
Yeah, he's in Sanfo and he came home last year ba yun? Nagpunta kami sa friend. Nagkita kami sa sa Ayala Alabang where I was staying with my friend. Nag-reunion kami. Ayun, nakakatuwa. Tapos may isa pa, naging crush ko din. Kilala niyo to sigurado. Denden Abisamis.
Yeah. Denden, I think, is in New York, right?
New York, yeah.
Doktor na yun, di ba?
Denden's also gay,
See?
I think. He's
Now-
super nice.
Di ba? Tamang anak ko, pansexual ako.
Yeah, super bite din si Denden.
Yeah,
One of our male supermodels, di ba?
Di ba? Ito
Together with
mamatay
sila
ko.
Bong Regala and all of that.
Bong Regala, yung
Mhm.
brother niya is the husband, ex-husband nung barkada ko. So si Alan, yung kapatid niya, tumira dun sa Green Heights. So kilala
Oh,
namin si Alan.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bong is a friend of mine. Mabait din yun.
Oh, hello guys. So tingnan niyo,
Hi.
pag nakita niyo mga pinagsabi kong mga mukha, ang popogi nun. Si Denden Abisami, si
Ay,
Robert.
lahat. Yung panahon
Yeah.
natin, iba, walang retoke eh. You know,
Oo.
all of us we all had naturally beautiful faces and
Yes.
bodies. Our physiques were all natural.
Yeah, yeah.
Ngayon, puro
Walang,
retoke
oo,
eh.
ngayon,
So,
oo.
it's
Pero
hard to
si
find,
Mike
it's hard
Roa,
to Mike
Ano?
Roa, yan.
guwapo, oh.
Oo, mabalbon lang.
Lumapit ka naman, Mike, hindi makita yung mukha mo eh. Bira, layo-layo mo yan, oh. Guwapings, di ba? Oh, tinan nyo yan. Now you know my taste. Ganon eh. Past is past. Okay, moving
Yung
on.
nangyari sa inyo.
Wala, okay. Nga pala, Robbie.
Oo, hindi ka kinalikot. Oo.
Hindi. Ano ba yan? Oh my God. Okay, so ito, tanong ko. Do you think love is something you feel or it's something you choose?
I think that it can be both because sometimes love can develop.
That's a good
Mm,
question, eh.
I think love can be developed. Like there's in the beginning, hindi ko naman love yung asawa ko, hindi rin ako love eh.
mm, mm, mm,
We liked each other very much,
mm, mm.
and then it developed into a stronger feeling that became love. But
Yeah.
in the beginning, parang I don't think we were in love or we loved each other eh.
Mm-mm.
So the feeling was more of like we were friends,
But that's
and we
better,
loved,
di ba?
and then it became love. Na
Mm-mm.
talagang inseparable na kami.
Yeah.
If I'm not home at a certain time, he'll look for me.
Mm-mm. Oh,
He'll
nice.
he'll call me and he'll text me, "Are you okay?"
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm not used to this because I don't I don't answer to anyone anymore. But
Yeah.
now it's like I'll be in the middle of shopping somewhere and I forget that it's already past, past 8 o'clock, and he gets home usually mga 6:30, and he'll text like, "Syempre magdi-dinner kami, di ba?" And so he says, "Are you okay?" And I'm looking at my phone like, why wouldn't I be okay? And I forget na may asawa na pala ako.
Yeah, 'di ba? Alam mo, I had a boyfriend before. Puti siya. He's a lawyer now here in Canada. We were in the same class in University of Toronto. Tapos may crush akong lalaki doon, gwapo. So, tinatabihan ko yung lalaking gwapo. Tapos yung gwapo naman na lalaki, para medyo type din ako, pag class namin, sinisave niya ako ng seat. Eh kaso, ito namang isang lalaking puti na kamukha ni Uncle Fester ng Addams Family, laging nakaabang sa akin. So sasabihin ng
Ah,
crush ko, I think he's waiting for you. So sabi ko, yes, would you like the breakfast? Pag, pagtingin ko, yeah, go ahead, gaganon yung crush ko. Okay. Tapos tatlo naman kami palagi, isang Koreano na kaibigan niya. So, hindi naman date yung gano'n. So, naging kaibigan ko siya, pero clearly type ako, pero kamukha niya si Uncle Fester talaga. Yung medyo nakakalbo na, English siya.
so important sa'yo yung itsura ng
Oo,
isang
yun
tao.
ang una. Yun ang una sa akin. If I look at you, I don't like your face, mahirapan ka na. But etong nangyari, we ended up becoming friends because he's hilarious, I'm hilarious. We like the same things, we like the same music, we joke around together, we just laugh all the time. After a year, I fell in love with him. I had no idea what
Tax.
happened,
Mm.
right? Hindi ko
Tapos
talaga alam.
tax pa.
Ano no?
Tax.
Anong tax?
O,
Huh? What?
ako,
Anong takot? Sinong takot?
dako.
Oh, my God. Okay, anyway, moving on. So yun, and tama yung sinasabi ni Mike, that is one of the best relationships I've had kasi we're compatible. Naging kaibigan ko muna siya and na-develop na lang ako kasi I saw that, tsaka yung he showed me respect, yung basta ganun, may respect sa relationship namin. Tapos he was honest with me. Tapos yung nga, okay,
Pero
naging
wala
kaibigan
na
muna
kayo.
kami. Ha?
Pero wala na kayo.
Wala na eh, kasi ang problema sa kanya, meron siyang misayad. Yung talagang may condition. May condition siya.
Mr.
Hindi naman,
Fester, tapos may sayad.
siya,
Parang,
he takes meds for that. Alam mo dito sa
Okay.
Canada, ganun yung mga tao eh. Yung pag may mga sila, they take meds. So, at one point, nagkaroon kami ng argument lang isa lang. And then, natakot siya kasi tinulak niya ako.
oh no.
Naitulak niya kasi nandun ako sabi ko, okay, let's not fight. Sabi ko, I just wanna talk about this. Nagagalit na siya, no, no, calm down, calm down. Tinulak niya ako. Natakot siya kasi lawyer kami pareho.
Okay.
Naisip niya na baka kasuhan ko siya.
Ah,
Doon na. doon na kami naghiwalay and na-depress ako doon na hindi ako maka-function talaga. Not because, kasi nga, maganda yung
How long were you
relationship.
together?
Ha?
How long were you together?
1 year lang eh. 1 year kami magkaibigan. 1 year kaming
On.
naging kami. Kaso nga, lumabas na yun nga, ganon. Na-meet ko na yung parent, yung mommy niya,
Was it
na-meet ko yung
was it
brother
a
niya.
sexual relationship or platonic?
Sexual, talagang romantic love. Talagang, pinakilala na nga niyang mom niya sa akin, nagpunta rito, ganon, from England. Yung ganon na
Oh,
kami. And then, my daughter actually likes him.
okay.
He's really nice to my daughter. Yung okay na, kaya nga sa akin, parang, nawindang yung mundo ko, parang, all of a sudden, just because of one argument.
Yeah.
Diba? So, hindi lang
Yung,
talaga
yung,
kami.
yung kids mo, the father of your children is Filipino or
Yeah.
okay.
Filipino. Wag na natin sila pag Anyway, moving on. Wala pag-uusapang relationship dito.
Ano pa mga questions? Because I need to get running. Anong questions pa?
So ito naman, ngayon, right now, are you still learning or do you fully know what love is? Alam mo na ba talaga?
I honestly can say that I fully know what love is because love is about forgiving as well. And I can take it within myself to forgive and overlook the small stuff.
The small
You
stuff.
know?
So that's the
Yeah. So
operative word there, the small stuff. Now, as a follow-up, do you believe that with love comes respect, and without respect, there can be no love?
there has to be respect. That has to be the
Exactly.
center of your relationship. There
Right?
has to be mutual respect.
Mutual respect.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
With friendship as well, 'di ba? I mean, kasi
With any
friendship,
relationship. Any
yeah, in any
relationship.
relationship,
Yeah.
exactly. Importante talaga mutual respect and love. So, that's why, so you'd agree with me if I say a person cannot love someone they do not respect,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yeah. I
So,
think that narcissists can claim love, but it's not really love. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's another topic for, kasi narcissism is really, 'di ba? Yung ano ngayon lang naglalabasan yung mga ganyan. But anyway, so do you have
Yeah.
to go now? Do you
I
have
do.
anything to say to the audience before you
I
go?
want everyone to be in love, especially with themselves.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's
Most
to
important.
everyone. Yeah, love yourself. God loves you. God loves all of us. Love yourself. If you don't have somebody on Valentine's Day, you have God.
Yeah. And you can
Celebrate,
just,
you
and,
know what? When I was single, in all honesty, it's kind of weird because one time I was super single and super sad and alone, and I felt sorry for myself because I came out of a 20-year relationship, and I felt like I was parang a loser kasi wala akong karelasyon. And it was Valentine's. I was here in the States na. I had migrated here. And you know what? One Valentine's, I went to church, and there was a lady selling these red roses. So I bought one for myself. And then I went into the church, and I was hindi naman hagulgol, pero naluha ako, and I was talking to God. And I
Mhm.
said, and I looked at Jesus on the cross, and I went and I touched the figure, the wooden figure, and I said to Jesus na, ikaw na lang Valentine ko ngayon. Sabi ko, and then I said, I'm gonna go out and have fun. And I think that day I went out to Long Beach, and then I went there to the, what was it called? They have like a pier there na different things to do. And so I
Mhm.
just enjoyed myself, and I met people,
Mhm.
strangers. And then I had a fun day that day. Went
Mhm.
home, you had a few drinks, then I I went home with a smile on my face, went to sleep, and I said, Jesus, I said, Happy Valentine's and thank you for loving me.
Yeah.
And
So
when I started that and being a good person, being a good
Mhm.
person, and then trying to attract positivity, dumating yung asawa ko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, did I hear it right? You said you were in a 20-year relationship,
Yeah, yeah. I
but you were
was,
able to get out of it, right? There's a, you know, 'di ba, gugustuhin mo lang kasi talaga.
well, you know what?
There's a
Talk
way.
about narcissism. We mentioned that word, narcissist. He was a narcissist, and it was very difficult. 20 years of him cheating on me over and over and over, but I couldn't really prove it. And then I finally got the evidence that I needed. I was able to leave the relationship.
Mhm.
Then he finally admitted, he admitted to me that it's a sickness. that he's addicted to sex and he cannot change for me, so that we decided to separate ways
Mhm.
amicably. It wasn't a bad breakup. We
Yeah.
decided that, if you're not going to get the help that you need, professional help. He didn't want to get help. He didn't want counseling. He didn't want
Oh,
therapy. He
yeah.
loved being promiscuous. He loved it.
But imagine, had you stayed, you would not have found your true love.
That's why my
Excuse
Diba?
me.
that's why my animosity towards him, my ex, went away after I met my ex. I mean,
Yun na nga.
my present. I'm sorry.
My ex.
Sorry.
Sandali, wag kang ganyan. So, yeah, yun na nga, di ba? And that's what I'm saying. For people who are, because I was in that situation before na I couldn't leave, right? But, pag hindi kasi umalis, you will not find the right person for you.
Yes, yeah.
Kasi
And we
kinlose
have
mo na eh.
to. It's hard to tell someone that now while they're still addicted to the 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 codependency with somebody else.
Mhm.
It's hard to tell them that. Like, let go and let God, and
Yeah,
God
yeah,
will bring you the right person.
yeah,
It's hard.
exactly.
It's really hard.
It
I
is
have a
hard. Oh
friend.
yeah, it is hard. But it's up to that person.
I have a friend, and she's a dentist, doctora, and I know she's with the wrong. She has been with the wrong person for many years, and I keep telling her. And she even came to one time, crying to me about him cheating on her and this and that. I said, it's time for you to leave and open your doors so the right person can come.
Exactly.
Hindi niya magawa, hindi niya mabitawan.
Mm-mm.
Kasi may anak sila. Although their child is already an adult, parang hirap siya to let go. And I keep telling her the right person's gonna come into your life that's really gonna sweep you off your feet and give you the happiness you deserve.
Exactly. Yeah.
Hindi niya
Otherwise,
magawa, but that's her life. So
yeah.
like
But
like we
then,
cannot, we cannot force
no,
people.
you can't. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's up to them to do that. But ito lang I don't know if the Filipinos will say, ano ba klase namang babae ito? But for me, guys, and I'm being honest, you don't stay married because of the children. You stay married,
Yeah.
you got married because of the two of you. Do not
Yeah.
use that as an excuse to stay.
Exactly. I agree.
In
Really.
reality, you're saying that, but in your mind, in reality, there's something else going on. You're just scared of leaving that comfort zone. Like you were,
Agree.
dahil sabi mo, parang security blanket, kahit mahirap yung relationship, hindi dito ka sanay eh. Sanay kang maghirap eh, di ba? Mas
Yeah.
familiar. We don't like the unknown, right?
Yes.
You don't know
Yes.
what's gonna happen after. But guys, people out there, and this is just for everyone who's right now in a relationship na hirap ka na, andyan ka pa rin kasi may anak kayo. Don't. You have to remember, these children love you. Magulang ka nila. But first, you take care of yourself, love yourself, take yourself out of that situation that's really, causing you trauma, causing you stress. Pag masaya ka na, sasayang anak mo. Ganun yun. Tingin mo ba
Yeah.
masaya anak mo na hindi ka masaya? Of course not. Yun lang. Ganun
Yeah.
eh. Pero okay, Robbie, your last hello, mag-goodbye ka na sa ating audience. And thank you so much, Robbie.
Bye. Thank
I
you.
know you
Thank
gotta
you.
go. So,
Happy Valentine's Day to
yes.
everyone. Thank you, attorney. Thank you for having me, and good luck with your quest to finding love.
Hindi, walang quest. Wala lang. Okay lang
Darating
ako.
yun.
I'm good. I'm
Tiwala.
good. I'm good.
Tiwala.
I'm good
Oo.
as I am. Pero Robbie, next time, maybe another time, guest ka ulit. And
Of
tama nga
course.
tama si Mike.
Of
With
course. Anytime.
Robbie, nga pala, anything goes. Yung pala dapat
Yeah.
title dito, hindi let's talk it out with Elle, where we talk about everything and anything under the sun. With
Do you
Robbie,
have,
anything goes.
do you have a cat?
Yeah. Ay, kita mo ba? I know.
Sabi ko nga, oo.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
yun, oy, thank you
most
so
single
much.
women have cats.
Oh no, it's my daughter's cat, not mine.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, not mine. So,
All right,
okay,
guys. Thank you
sige.
so much.
Thank you so much, Robbie.
Okay,
Bye,
bye-bye.
Rob.
Bye.
Bye.
Ikaw, Mike, you stay. You
Okay.
stay, yeah. Kasi guest pa kita. Thank you again, Robbie, for sharing your perspective on love. Now it's just me and Mike. And yes, he's in the hot seat. But we'll pause here. The rest of this juicy conversation will come in part two, dropping soon on Let's Talk It Out with Elle. Till then. Thank you so much again to my guests, Robbie Tarosa and Michael Roa. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It was a really good conversation among friends. Now, to the audience or viewers, thank you so much for watching. For those who just listened on Spotify and other podcast sites like Apple Podcast, Podcast Addict, Buzzsprouts, thank you for listening. It was a fun discussion of what love is. I'm sure you saw that it's different for different people. Not just it's not based the difference is not based on gender. It's based on the individual. We all have our own experiences when it comes to love, and that's what shaped us. Like I said earlier, if there's anything that I want you to take away from this podcast, is this: learn to love yourself first before you even say you love someone else. You have to love yourself first in order for you to love other people. Again, this is El Rodriguez saying goodbye until I see you again in the next episode of Let's Talk It Out
Talk it out with
with El.
L.
Thanks to our special guests, Robbie Torosa and Michael Dax Roa.